Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best battle drones is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving areas in consumer electronics, offering a thrilling blend of aerial acrobatics, competitive gaming, and cutting-edge technology that appeals to hobbyists and tech enthusiasts alike, transforming the skies into a dynamic arena for skill-based challenges and immersive experiences. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. Introducing the Holy Stone HS210, a mini drone designed for effortless fun. It's perfect for beginners and kids, offering features like auto-hovering and 3D flips for an exciting flying experience. Choose from 3 different speed modes to match your skill level. This allows for a customized and enjoyable flight, whether you're just starting out or ready for more advanced maneuvers. Enjoy up to 21 minutes of flight time with the included 3 batteries. Never worry about running out of power mid-flight, as it also features a low battery alarm. Safety is paramount with its protective propeller guards and an emergency stop function. This ensures a secure and injury-free flying experience for everyone. Its mini size makes it incredibly portable, perfect for taking the fun anywhere. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. With 2.4 GHz remote control technology, you can race multiple drones simultaneously without interference. Just remember to pair them separately for a smooth experience. What we like. This drone is incredibly easy to get started with, featuring auto-hover and one-key takeoff landing. It comes with 3 batteries, offering extended flight time for more fun. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly drone that's also portable and offers great value with extra batteries, this is a fantastic choice for kids and new pilots. What people say. The drones are very responsive and easy to control, making them great for beginners. The build quality is surprisingly good for the price point, and they seem durable. The variety of flight modes and the ability to perform stunts add a lot of fun and replayability. Number 4. Holy Stone HS190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun. With simple one-click takeoff and landing, even beginners can enjoy flying. Plus, exciting 3D flips add an extra thrill to every flight. Enjoy a stable and carefree flight thanks to altitude hold and headless mode. It hovers steadily and always flies in the direction you expect, making it perfect for kids and beginners. It offers 3 speed modes, low, medium, and high. This allows pilots of all skill levels to customize their flying experience and enjoy different challenges. Safety is paramount with its propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately, minimizing the risk of damage or injury. This drone is incredibly compact, folding neatly into its controller. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it the perfect companion for parties, trips, and outdoor adventures. Looking for a cool indoor or outdoor gift? This mini drone is an excellent Christmas toy choice for boys, girls, and anyone new to flying. What we like. This drone is designed for ultimate portability with its foldable design that fits right into the controller. It offers user-friendly features like altitude hold for stable flight. If you need a drone that's super compact, easy to fly, and perfect for taking on the go for spontaneous fun, this is the one for you. What people say. The drone has a durable construction that can withstand minor crashes. Its flight stability is impressive, making it easy to control even for beginners. The camera quality is surprisingly good for its size, capturing clear aerial shots. Number 3. Holy Stone HS190 Foldable Mini Drone. This drone makes flying easy with one-click takeoff and landing, perfect for beginners. Its 3D flips feature adds an extra layer of excitement to every flight. With altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode for intuitive control, it offers a worry-free flying experience for everyone. It comes with 3 speed modes, allowing pilots of all skill levels to enjoy a customized flying adventure. The built-in propeller guards protect children, and the emergency stop function ensures it lands safely to prevent damage or injury. This compact drone folds neatly into its controller, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag for fun anywhere. It's a fantastic indoor or outdoor toy gift for boys and girls, perfect for any occasion. What we like. This drone boasts a super compact, foldable design that easily tucks away into your pocket. It includes a convenient one-key return function for peace of mind. If you prioritize extreme portability and simple, reliable controls for quick flights anywhere, this drone is an excellent option. What people say. The drone has a very stable flight, even in windy conditions. The camera quality is surprisingly good for the price point, capturing clear and vibrant images. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 2. Holy Stone HS724K Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial photography with its advanced 4K UHD camera. Built-in image stabilization ensures crystal clear shots, free from vibrations. See the world from new perspectives with its 90-degree adjustable lens and enjoy seamless 5 GHz FPV transmission. Never lose track of your drone thanks to its intelligent GPS-assisted flight features. It automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost, offering peace of mind during every flight. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 52 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries. Its powerful yet quiet brushless motors offer efficient performance, while the foldable design and carrying case make it your perfect travel companion. Designed for simplicity, it offers intuitive controls suitable for beginners. Features like one-key start-stop, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning ensure stable hovering and easy operation, even in challenging environments. Explore further with an impressive control range of up to 3,000 feet. The considerate controller displays vital information like battery level and GPS signal, ensuring you're always in command. It even offers options for left-handed users. What we like. This drone features a stunning 4K UHD camera for incredible aerial footage and an impressive 52 minutes of total flight time. Its GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes ensure you never lose it and offer advanced capabilities like Follow Me. If you're serious about aerial photography and videography and want a drone with professional features and long flight endurance, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The drone is very easy to control and the camera quality is excellent. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 20 minutes on a single charge. It comes with multiple flight modes, including a beginner-friendly mode that makes learning to fly simple. Number 1. Holy Stone HS175D GPS Drone. Capture your adventures in crisp detail with its 4K camera. The wide-angle lens ensures you get more of the scene in every shot, perfect for trips and everyday filming. Easily frame your perfect shot with the 90-degree adjustable camera. Get the ideal angle whether you're capturing landscapes or following the action. Experience a stable and smooth live view with 5 GHz FPV transmission. This makes framing shots and flying with confidence much easier, even when moving. Fly with peace of mind thanks to its GPS-assisted flight. It automatically returns home if the signal is lost, it goes out of range, or the battery is low. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time with the included 2 batteries. This allows for extended practice, exploration, and capturing more footage without frequent stops. Getting started is easy with beginner-friendly features like altitude hold and one-key takeoff landing. These functions help maintain stability for cleaner footage. Its foldable design and carrying case make it perfect for travel. Explore fun smart flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight for enhanced aerial photography. What we like. This drone captures sharp 4K video and offers a substantial 46 minutes of flight time, all while being under the 249g weight limit. It's packed with beginner-friendly features and smart flight modes like Follow Me. If you're looking for a capable, lightweight drone with excellent camera quality and long flight duration for travel and creative filming, this is an outstanding choice. What people say. The drone has a very stable flight and is easy to control, even for beginners. The camera quality is surprisingly good for the price, capturing clear and vibrant images. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended flight times of up to 20 minutes on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.